Hey everyone, and welcome to the launch of something we know you've all been eagerly waiting for. Today we're bringing you a full lineup of premium, beautiful, powerful flagship 5G devices, the OnePlus 8 series. And here it is, the OnePlus 8 Pro, the newest ultra-premium phone in the flagship OnePlus 8 series. You pick up your phone more than 200 times a day, and every time we want you to feel like you're picking up a work of art. And that's why CMF, or color, material, and finish, is so important. It dictates how a phone will feel in your hands. So let's look at the CMF of the OnePlus 8 Pro. It comes with a curved glass back. And of course, we offer a beautiful glossy finish. But the matte frosted glass option is really something amazing. We increased the haze level in the glass finish to the highest level in the industry. The OnePlus 8 Pro is silky smooth to the touch. And now for the colors. We have options for you, ultramarine blue and onyx black. But you've seen black and blue phones from OnePlus before. Well, there's a new option for you this time, glacial green. Now, you may have already noticed the punch hole front-facing camera. Well, there's a reason that we went with that. It really does make the phone feel lighter. And at only 3.8 millimeters in diameter, you'll hardly even notice it's there. The OnePlus 8 Pro is IP68 rated. The OnePlus 8 Pro has the highest spec display in the universe. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch screen with QHD Plus resolution at 513 pixels per inch. And it can get super bright. It can hit 4,096 different levels of brightness with a peak brightness of up to 1,300 nits. We've also added sensors on the front and the back of the OnePlus 8 Pro for the smoothest automatic brightness adjustment we've ever had on a OnePlus device. The OnePlus 8 Pro display supports 10-bit color depth. That means instead of seeing the same 16 million colors you would get in most smartphones, we're bringing you a billion colors with a B, which means that the colors you see on your phone are practically identical to the same colors you see in real life. 120 Hertz. That's the refresh rate of the OnePlus 8 Pro. And it's also way more responsive. When you touch the display, the feedback is immediate, only 24.6 milliseconds. Now, most videos, unless directed by Ang Lee, are not shot at 120 FPS. They're shot at either 24 FPS or 30 FPS. So how can you take full advantage of this gorgeous 120 Hz fluid display? The answer can be found on something as small as a grain of rice. It's our custom MEMC chip. Basically, it inserts one or more additional frames after each original frame in the video to make it look much smoother. You can choose either 60 FPS or 120 FPS, or you can even turn it off in the settings. The OnePlus 8 Pro has a 48 megapixel main camera with a custom-made Sony sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens with a full 120-degree field of view, a telephoto lens with 3 times hybrid and 30 times digital zoom, and a unique color filter camera. This is the first ever quad camera setup on a OnePlus phone. And then there's the ultra-wide camera. Now you can get a much wider 120-degree field of view. Unlike most other ultra-wides, the OnePlus 8 Pro doesn't compromise on image quality. We've used the flagship level Sony IMX586 sensor, which gives it 48 megapixels, just like the main camera. Now that is the most in any smartphone ultra-wide camera. And most impressive with 48 megapixels, you can also get much more detail even when you zoom in. Now that larger sensor has another advantage too, and that's ultra-wide night shots. Now you can get clear, sharp images even in the dark, just like in this comparison with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The OnePlus 8 Pro also has a telephoto lens with 3 times hybrid and 30 times digital zoom. Nobody wants a shaky video. So the OnePlus 8 Pro is equipped with hybrid image stabilization, combining OIS and EIS for much more stable videos. And when you're shooting a video, lighting is one of the biggest challenges. And with backlight, it's practically impossible to get a clear face and a clear background at the same time. But with 3 HDR technology, we've solved that problem for you. With its advanced sensor, the OnePlus 8 Pro can weave together 3 different exposures into one frame with a higher dynamic range, filling in both shadow and well-lit areas for clearer, more colorful details. So that's the OnePlus 8 Pro camera system. faster, smarter focusing, an ultra-wide camera with flagship image quality, dynamic video powered by 3 HDR for even the most difficult lighting conditions. This is a camera system designed to open up your world a little wider. And now let's dig into the rest of the specs. The OnePlus 8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 865 mobile platform. It comes with up to 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM. It also comes with up to 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.0 storage. We've equipped the OnePlus 8 Pro with Wi-Fi 6. That gives you 40% faster peak internet speed, and is 4 times faster in crowded areas. The OnePlus 8 Pro's stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos will completely surround you with exciting, high-quality sound. And a new and improved haptic motor with stronger vibration will bring your games to life. Now, 4,510 milliamp hours. That's the size of the OnePlus 8 Pro battery, and it's the biggest battery in any OnePlus device. And with Warp Charge 30T, you can go from 0 to 60% power in just half an hour. That we're finally giving you another way to charge your phone. Say hello to Warp Charge 30 Wireless. And better yet, it supports reverse charging, so you can use the OnePlus 8 Pro to charge some of your accessories. Partnering with Google has helped us bring a ton of great features to OnePlus users over the years. One of the newest features you may be familiar with already is Live Caption, which provides video and audio captions in real time. On the OnePlus 8 series, we've worked with the Google One team to give you an extended 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. And we're happy to let you know that with a new OnePlus 8 series phone, you can get a free 3-month trial. And we're also working closely with our friends at Stadia, the new cloud gaming service from Google. Stadia gameplay will be available on the new OnePlus 8 series, so users can enjoy a selection of blockbuster video games like Doom Eternal on their phone. And the OnePlus 8 series will also be Amazon Alexa ready. That gives you another choice for your voice service. There's no doubt that the OnePlus 8 is a true powerhouse. But that's not all we have to show you today. I'm excited to introduce you to the counterpart of the OnePlus 8 Pro, the pure OnePlus 8. We're bringing you the very best of OnePlus design, distilled into a beautiful, smaller form factor. And for years, we've heard a lot of people in the community asking for a more compact OnePlus phone, a true flagship that's just a bit easier to handle. So let's take a closer look at the size. The OnePlus 8 has a full 6.55-inch display. And with slim bezels on both sides, we've managed to get it down to just 72.9 millimeters wide. At the same time, we've also shaved the thickness down to a mere 8 millimeters. That's thinner than the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max, almost as thin as a pencil. We also gave the OnePlus 8 shorter and tighter curves along the sides of the display compared to the OnePlus 7 Pro, for a grip that's both more comfortable and more secure. The OnePlus 8 is amazingly light. We've optimized the internal components to reduce the weight to just 180 grams, making it one of the lightest flagship phones you can find anywhere on the market. And not only is the OnePlus 8 incredibly light, thin, and ergonomic, but it also comes in style. The color options include the same sleek onyx black and the beautiful glacial green that you've just seen for the OnePlus 8 Pro. But there's another stunning choice for the OnePlus 8. We call it Interstellar Glow. It's not just any one color, but a whole spectrum of otherworldly light captured in glass. Now that same beauty extends right around into the screen. The OnePlus 8 brings you an industry-leading display, even in its more compact form factor. The OnePlus 8's gorgeous 6.55-inch display is sized to a cinematic 20:9 aspect ratio. It has a peak brightness of 1,100 nits, helping you see the screen much better in direct sunlight. It also comes with both HDR10 and HDR10 Plus certification to take color accuracy and contrast to the next level. We've equipped the OnePlus 8 with a triple camera design, combining a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 main camera with optical image stabilization, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an independent macro camera. The OnePlus 8 is equipped with a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera to help you easily capture more panoramic views when you're out in the wilderness with literally nobody near you. And of course, the OnePlus 8 can shoot 4K video. The built-in hybrid stabilization system combines both OIS and EIS technologies, compensating for bumps and shakes to help you shoot incredibly stable videos on the move. With the OnePlus 8 series, we're leading with speed, and the pure, compact flagship OnePlus 8 does just that. It includes the very best Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 mobile platform and up to 12 gigabytes of boosted RAM. The OnePlus 8 even has USB 3.1. Now, the OnePlus 8 is also equipped with a 4300 mAh battery. And it comes with Warp Charge 30T, our unique fast charging technology. You can get a 60% charge in just half an hour, with more than enough power to get you through the day. So that's the OnePlus 8. But there's one other really important point we want to make about both the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro, and that's that they both fully support 5G. 5G is and will continue to be a huge priority for us at OnePlus. Okay, finally, what you've been waiting for this whole time, prices. The Bullets Wireless Z earphones will be $49.95. And for the OnePlus 8, we've got two options for you. The 8 128 gigabyte version is $699. And the 12 256 gigabyte version will be $799. And for the OnePlus 8 Pro, we also have two options. The 8 128 gigabyte version will retail for $899. And finally, the top spec, top performance 12 256 gigabyte version will be $999. In North America, open sales will begin on April 29th. And in Europe, pre-orders are beginning right now, with open sales starting April 21st.